Hey everyone, so this week's topic is media coverage. I went ahead and watched 9 News live at 9 p.m., and the topic was COVID 19, where Dr. Fauci talks about a co-holiday surge of COVID 19. Dr. Fauci states, help is in fact on the way. Vaccines are literally on the threshold. I thought that this was pretty promising, just because we've been going on almost 9 months of the pandemic. The protocols are still in place, even though there is a vaccine on the way, according to Dr. Fauci. They say that if you traveled over the holidays, you should be quarantining for 14 days. A new upcoming bill in Colorado is going to happen. It basically includes helping fund small businesses. A lot of small businesses are either going out of business or they're fighting to stay open. There are currently 1,558 active cases in Colorado prisons. A guard spoke up about her experience working at the prison during COVID-19. Jamie R. Morrill said that a prisoner that was dying led to her quitting. If prisoners did not do their jobs inside of the prison because they didn't want to get sick with COVID, they were threatened on being sent to the hole. I think that all this has to do with chapter 12 in our book, which is communicating about health inequalities. The news is increasing awareness. We definitely have to understand the health issues of COVID affecting specific groups, like the prisoners. We also have to understand health issues affecting the environment of individual communities. And the news offers information allowing audiences to take positive action to protect their own health. If we keep the audience aware of COVID-19, we can keep those protocols happening, like the 14-day quarantine, just to protect everyone else's health and their own health. I think it definitely displays excellent journalism because it gave context in all different areas, complexity, and it shows the voices of multiple areas.